Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can install apps on our school Chromebook. So for that you need to open up your settings and go to your about Chrome OS, and there you will be able to see whether your Chrome operating system is up to date or not. Make sure that it is up to date and get it to the latest version. So this will allow you to enable App Store on your Chromebook, and then you will be able to install apps by clicking on app section on your settings, and there you will be able to find this option of Play Store support. Just click on it and enable your app store, then open up your app store by going into your search bar, and after opening up your app store, log in using your email id, and then you will be able to install every single app out there just like you do on your mobile device. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.